Greetings to you all from the Research Department of Commerce, Raniana Government College for Women. Here we are going to discuss about the intellectual property rights, pros and cons. What is intellectual property? Intellectual property refers to creations of the mind, inventions, literary and artistic works, symbols, names, images and designs used in commerce are called as intellectual property. So these are all the types of intellectual property available in India. There are 7 kinds of intellectual properties: patents, copyrights, trademarks and service marks, trade secret, geographical indication, industrial designs and plant varieties. So like that of real properties, that is movable and immovable properties, this intellectual properties can also be bought, sold, licensed, exchanged and given away. The owner can prevent unauthorized use and can take legal action in case someone else uses it without permission. So this is simply the illustration of all these intellectual property rights: patent, trademark, copyrights, geographical indication, industrial design and trade secret. So let's see the intellectual property rights one by one. The first one is patents. It is covered under Patents Act 1970 but amended by Patent Act 2005. A patent describes an invention for which the inventor claims the exclusive right. Inventions are patentable if it should be a novel one, that is entirely new one. It should be useful, not obvious, pertains to patentable subject matter. Then comes trademarks. The first one is, see the symbols that are within circle, registered trademark. TM stands for unregistered trademark. SM stands for unregistered service trademark. A symbol, logo, word, sound, color, design or other device that is used to identify a business or product in commerce. It is a sign used on in connection with the marketing or services. The sign may appear not only on the goods but also on the container or wrapper in which the goods are when they are sold. These are all some examples for trademarks. See, these are all self-explanatory with words: Yahoo, Adidas, BBC, Walmart, CNN, Google, like that. So these are all some examples, only symbols and not words. The first row: Android, Apple, McDonald's, Microsoft, Coca-Cola. Then on the second row we have Shell Oil, Olympic symbol, then Target, like that. Then on the third row also Pepsi, Pillsbury, Mickey Mouse, Superman, Nike. So these are all some examples for the educational trademarks like Cambridge, Pearson, Macmillan, Elsevier, Taylor and Francis, etc. So these symbols and these trademarks are Indian Product Certification Mark, non-statutory mark, recycling symbols and other marks. ISA, these are all well-known symbols for us. ISA, silk mark, like that. So the color also signifies the meaning. So we are recommended to buy the products with green color. So this is about the copyrights. The Indian Copyrights Act 1957, amended in so many years. It is the right which grants protection to the unique expression of ideas. Copyright law protects literary works, paintings, photographs, drawings, films, music, choreography, sculpture. Tangible medium does not necessarily mean published. Literary works, musical works including lyrics, dramatic works including any music along with choreography, pictures and sculptures, sound recordings, architectural works, video. These are all come under copyrights. See, there are three types of symbols available. First one, copyright, all rights reserved. Reuse requires the permission from the copyright owner. Then Creative Commons, double C stands for Creative Commons. It signifies some rights reserved. Reuse is permitted without permission under the specifications shared by in the license. Then comes public domain. No rights reserved, may be used without permission. This is about industrial designs. So you can see electrical jug here. The protection you receive is only for the appearance of the article and not how it works. Design registration is intended to protect designs which have an industrial or commercial use. Duration of protection is initially for 10 years and extendable for another term of 5 years. Designs of stamps, labels, tokens, cards, cartoons or parts of an article not sold separately cannot be registered. So these are all the conditions available for the registration of industrial designs. See here, so this is the example for industrial design. So Apple has its own design, so dress can be, so like that all these items can be registered for the design. Next item we are going to see under this IPR is geographical indication. So this geographical indication is a form of intellectual property right belonging to a community. It indicates a definite geographical origin of a product. The GI tag is given to agricultural, natural and manufactured goods. A product may be applied for GI status provided it has a special quality or reputation or any other peculiar characteristics limited to a specific geographical territory. Who can apply for this? Any association of persons, producers, organization or authority established by or under the law can apply for this GI. So here are some examples for this GIs in India. Basmati rice, Mysore silk, Mysore sandal oil, Mysore sandal soap, Mysore jasmine, Coorg orange. These are all Darjeeling tea. These are all some of the examples for this GI. As far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, we have Madurai Malli, Kanjipuram silk, Bhavani, Madurai Chungudi, Coimbatore wet grinder, Tanjavur paintings, temple jewelry of Nagarkoil, Salem silk, Kovai Kora cotton, RNA silk. So these are all some examples where GI is provided for Tamil Nadu products. The next item is trade secrets. Examples of trade secrets: customer list, recipes, financial projections, business methods, marketing plans, formulas, devices, manufacturing techniques, processes, sales data, market studies, pricing information, computer programs. They are all coming under this trade secrets. Next and the last one is Plant Variety and Farmers' Right Act 2001. So provide for the establishment of an effective system for protection of plant varieties, the right of farmers and plant breeders, and to increase the development of new varieties of plants. This has been given. This ensures high quality of seeds for farmers, respected activities of natural breeding and selection by farmers, and ensure the rights of the farmers. See, these are some examples for this plant, hybrid plants. In a nutshell, we can say under patents, what is protected? Invention. How long? So we can have this protection up to 20 years, valid for 20 years. What does it protect against? Your idea being used, sold or manufactured. Under the trademarks, what is protected? Brand identity, including works and logos. The validity for this trademark is 10 years. The use of your trademarks by others without your permission is restricted or protected. And then registered design rights. What one product looks like. This is valid up to 25 years. the product being manufactured, sold, or imported are being protected. And then the last one is copyright. It includes music, art, film, literary works, broadcast. It has the lifetime of life plus 70 years. That means sound broadcast are 50 years. The work being copied or reproduced is being protected against. So the same product may have more than one this IPR. See, the example here is Coca-Cola copyright for the logo and script design, trademark logo, script design and distinctive shape of Coke bottle, patents, method of making barrier coated plastic containers, trade secret formula for making Coca-Cola and for the design also. So one product may have so many IPR registrations. So in a nutshell, we can say the intellectual property has been subdivided into two major heads known as industrial property, copyrights and related rights, industrial designs, patents, trademarks. The examples are given as under. So creation of mind is the basic thing for the IPR registration, then go for registration and then ownership possession. So under the umbrella of IPR, we can create and protect our originality. Thank you.